The single arm sideways reverse pec deck is an exercise that targets the posture supporting muscles including the rear deltoids on the back of the shoulders and upper back. The traditional reverse pec deck braces your chest, however sitting sideways may allow you to get a deeper stretch while training each side independently. Here's how to do it correctly. Set the pec deck machine arms back to the reverse fly position, with the seat adjusted so your arms are at shoulder level when gripping the handle. Sit sideways on the seat with one shoulder pressed against the pad for support. Grab the handle with your outer arm with an overhand palm facing down grip. Rest your inner arm on your lap or hold the seat for stability. Begin with your working arm extended slightly in front of your torso, maintaining a slight bend in your elbow. Engage your core and keep your shoulder blades retracted. Under control, slowly pull the handle outward and backward, moving your arm in a wide arc. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blade and rear deltoid as you pull. Keep your torso still and avoid rotating your body with all the motion coming from your arm and shoulder rather than using momentum. Stop when your arm is in line with your torso or slightly past it. Under control, slowly reverse the movement to return to the starting position while maintaining tension in your muscles throughout the entire motion. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.